Oh, I need to be.
No.
Oh. You sounded like a dinosaur. Oh, let me just take a picture. How do you unlock it? Oh, like that.
Don't look for my pictures.
Good day, pictures! Someone took pictures of me on I'll say that out. Oh, I don't care.
Of your what?
Someone's taking pictures of my tits out.
I don't care.
I don't even know what buttons to press, mate. None of them are working on menu. No. No, you just looked it. Oh, no.
I think we're scaring everyone.
There you go. Yeah. That's so confusing. Oh, I need a pee-pee. Are you still recording?
Yes.
No.
Yeah. We're both having fun.
I can't even figure out the phone. I don't even know where. Oh. Other one. Oh. Really confused by your.
Oh.
I do want to get a pen and just draw on that lady's neck.
I just want to draw on this lady's neck.
No, just go right down the whole track. Go past it. What do you think somebody takes after you then?
You run onto the track and run home.
Wait, now we're drawing a bit much.
Get paid.
I want to look at them closely after. Your tits are away. Oh no, I get it now. I didn't get it before. It's actually albums. I thought it was separate pictures.
What are we on about?
Pictures. I thought it was separate pictures, but not. Look.
Ah. Ooh.
Oh,
I thought that boy fell off the push bike over there.
Did you?
No, he put it down. He fell off his push
He
bike.
put it down.
Well, it looks like he fell off it.
Well, that man was like holding their hair. They're like a crazy man.
There could be loads of men pub in here.
I took a picture.
I just recorded.
I took a picture with you.
Okay.
Hang on. Go back. Oh no no. Oh no no. Oh no no. No no no.
Look at the picture. Oh my god, delete it! Delete that picture of me or I'm going to beat you. Shante, if I see that picture on Facebook, please put it on Facebook. I know. Just so people know you're my friend. No, I'm still recording. Oh! These are the pretty lights in the sky.
I want to take a picture of that man. Why is your phone being gay? Please!
Oh, Nino!
Oh, I need to